Pharma Guy here. Let me tell you about this 2019 Mini Countryman Cooper S All-4. It's the perfect blend of adventure and style. It's already passed the current GA state emissions, so you're all set there. And the best part? It's dealer certified pre-owned, which means it comes with a 3-month or 3,000-mile warranty for extra peace of mind. Plus, we're offering a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price when you buy. If you're looking for even more coverage, you can ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade at the time of sale. We always recommend a pre-purchase inspection. It's something we're really big on here. We want you to feel confident when you drive off in your new ride. Just a heads up, if there's a price reduction or discount, it won't include the CPO warranty or the 5-year service plan. But trust me, the coverage you're getting with this certified pre-owned deal is totally worth it. If you're thinking about making this Mini yours or just want to know more, feel free to reach out. This could be the adventure vehicle you've been waiting for.